What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Riya Kadge back with a new video. So hope you guys are doing well. So today I will be sharing some really good ways to use your scarf and look great. So yeah, let's do it. Before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button on so you will not miss any video. And guys, please watch the full video so you will not miss anything from this video. So let's start.
Was dating, love was fading.